Hey guys, it's Chavez with Creapool, and today we're going to be going over probably one of the easiest ways you can make money online. And you can make a few $100 a month doing this, depending on the time and effort you put in, maybe even a few extra $1,000 a month. But yeah, and so we're going to be using CPA marketing. For those of you who do not know what that is, it's cost per acquisition. And basically, real quick, so you understand, you pretty much get someone to submit an email or for like a certain opt-in or whatever, that's not yours, it's somebody else's, and then they pay you for that. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to be using Max Bounty, which is a CPA network, and it's probably the most popular CPA network that's out. And then, yeah, so it's super easy to sign up. Just sign up, fill out the information. Then you will have to get on a call, though, um, you know, fairly soon to, so they know that you're like a real person, and they're going to ask you some questions and stuff like that. Nothing too big, though. You should not have a problem with it. And this is for this network accepts all countries, just so you know. Or I mean, I would say a lot of countries, because I know it's not just the U.S. I'm not going to say all, though. Don't hold me to that. And then we're also going to be using Craigslist, Gmail, and a Weebly. We're going to create a real quick Weebly site. Super basic. We're not going to do anything serious, okay? So I'm going to walk you through that as well. And so the first thing you're going to do, is find an offer. For this, I would look for a decent EPC, which is the expected pay per click, or the expected it's basically what you're going to get paid. Okay, so you get paid $2.40 per lead, but they say that you can expect you can expect 28 cents out of that. You know what I mean? If you're doing paid traffic and stuff like that, which a lot of people do with CPA marketing. Most people actually do paid traffic. Now, this method's not going to cost you any money, and that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. So yeah, so you're going to go down to creatives and see it says allowed traffic types, and you will have to pay attention to the rules. You can't just do anything and get traffic any way that you want. They do have rules. Every offer is different. We're going to do contextual, though, which is just a link, right? We're not going to get that just yet. Let's go over to the Weebly. Weebly is super easy and free, okay? So you're just going to sign up and create an account or whatever. Let me try to go to like a super basic theme, though, with like not too much going on. We really don't want to have to do that much work. Yeah, we're going to start editing this one. This is awesome. Alright, so I'm just going to go over here and create a subdomain real quick, Weebly subdomain. So the offer swag bucks, I'll show you again, it's swag bucks surveys, so we'll do swag surveys, and that's available. Nice. So we'll continue. We got our domain, and now we're going to go to pages. I'm just gonna delete this page. Delete. Also gonna delete this page. You really just kind of want to delete everything. And then we're gonna go to build. So let's see. Just gonna delete that. Leave that spacer there. I'm just gonna delete these. And then I'll just leave that up because it really just is like whatever. We're just gonna leave that. We're just logo off. We're gonna do title. Put it right there. we're going to do click here for surveys. All right. And then I'm going to, this is where we're going to put our link, okay? You're going to go down here, contextual, get tracking code, and you're going to copy this link, and you're going to paste it, website URL. We're going to paste it right there on the text, okay? And then just don't open it in a new window, just leave it like that. And then there you go. Awesome. So it worked. Okay, cool. So yeah, and then just publish your site. Swag Surveys, continue. Awesome. Swag Surveys is up and running. So then you're going to go over to Gmail. You're going to go to settings over here, and you're going to go down to vacation responder. Okay, you can end this responder whenever you want to, but really you can just have it permanent if you want. I got your message. Then you're going to say, hey, thanks for reaching out to me. I'm just going to hurry this up. Here is how you can make money filling out online surveys. Whatever. I don't even know how to spell. Then we're just going to www. And we're going to do the what was it? I forgot what the freaking domain was. Here, it'll tell us. Okay, cool. Copy link address. Swag Surveys. And then we're just gonna paste. And that is going, so anytime anyone responds to our Craigslist ad, this is what they're going to get. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do save changes. And now we're going to go on to Craigslist, right? And we're going to go into post, right? And we're going to do gig offered. I have a service to offer. I want to hire someone. Let's do it. We're going to go to computer, or yeah, let's just do computer. I mean, because you can do really anything that you want to. That doesn't really matter. We're going to do do you want to make money filling out surveys? And we're just going to post this. Oh shoot, what just happened? Yeah, so we're just going to fill this out. And then this is just going, I'm not going to do like legit stuff, right? I'm just showing you guys what to do. And then you're going to go post code, postal code, like whatever, you know, and then you're just going to fill out the rest, and you're going to put the email that you used. Show my real email, right? And then you're going to have the email that you used to set up that auto response. That's going to be the email that you set up, okay? And then so people are going to reply to this ad. They're going to get that email, the auto response email that you set up, and they're going to be taken to this landing page where they're going to see click here for surveys, And really, you can set it up your own way, right? I would delete all this stuff and literally just put like a picture of surveys, right? Big picture of something like like a Swagbucks picture or something like that, and then just do click here for surveys and stuff, and then they will click there, and that's the whole system. So if you guys have any questions on that system or anything like that, just be sure to leave me a comment down below, and I'll answer all the questions that you have about this. And you know, if you want to know more about this, or you want me to make videos on how you can do this with paid traffic, then you know, just let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right. See you guys later. Peace.